Hi everyone, my name is Latonya Style and I'm here to demonstrate exercise moves that a pregnant woman can do. Well, I am 9 months pregnant, unbelievably. I'm actually due today, which makes it 40 weeks to be exact. Okay, so I'm gonna start by doing some simple warm-ups that won't harm the baby but keep you healthy, fit, and energetic. Okay, let's begin. Okay, we're gonna start by doing breathing exercises. So we're gonna breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. And as you can see, my hands are going up, reaching up, and then reaching down. Then we're gonna go to the right, stretch, and up. Next side, stretch, and up. And we repeat that. Stretch to the right, and up. Next side, stretch. And we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to turn, and we turn our bodies back to the front. And next side, stretch, turn your body facing down, look back to the front, and we're going to repeat that. So to the right, face down, turn right, and up. Next side, over, face down, back to the front, and up. We're going to breathe in again, and we're going to go on our toes and down. Again, on your toes and down. Then we're going to breathe in, and we're going to go forward in a flat back position. It's not harming the baby. And up. Again, breathe in and lean over in a flat back position. And up. Then we're going to stretch backwards and up. Repeat that to the back as far as you can go, and up. Now we're going to roll down. So we roll in from our chin all the way down, and if you can make your hands flat on the ground, roll back up, and the head is the last thing to come up. Let's do that again. Roll down, hands flat on the ground, roll back up, head is the last thing to come up. Now we're going to roll to the side, touch your toes, next side, touch your toes, and this is stretching the sides of your body, next side. And these are simple exercises that you keep repeating over and over to keep your body relaxed. And we're going to breathe in one more time and lean to the side, up. Lean to the next side and up. Now we're going to do head rotations. So we're circulating the head, change direction, circulate again, change direction. Now we're going to look to the left, look to the right, look to the left, look to the right, look up and down, up and down, up and down. Then we're going to go to the shoulders, up and down, up and down. To the back, rotating the shoulders to the back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 counts to the back and 8 counts to the front as well. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then we're going to raise the shoulders up and down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Also doing that for 8 counts. Up, down, up. Then we're going to lean to the side, 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 side. We can repeat this 8 more counts. Very nice. Now we're going to work the chest, the upper part of the body. So we're going to brace out, and then you arch. Brace out, and then you arch. You see this sideways. So it's out and arch, out and arch. And we can do this double time, speed it up a little, but we don't want to harm the baby, so we're not going to do it too energetic. Okay, then we're going to do it same thing, but we're going to go to the side. So we're just going to stretch our bodies, upper bodies, torso to the side. So side, 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 side. Then we're going to go forward, back, and we circulate it. Circulate it. Change direction. Circulate. Very nice. Now we're going to move down to our pelvic area. This is the lower part of our body, our hips, our buttocks, and all these areas. But we have to have a bend. Can't just stand up and do it. So you're going to bend and we're going to rotate from side to side. So it's side, 2, 3. We'll do this for 8 counts as well. Very nice. Then we'll do forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Again, forward, back, forward, back. Then we also have to do it in a circular motion. So we're going to rotate the hips and change direction. Rotate the hips and change. Now we're going to do a simple dip and up. I'm sweating. It's so sunny out here and it's February. Okay, so dip and back, dip and forward, dip and back. Seeing it from the side? It's dip and back, dip, dip, forward, dip, back. And we're going to do the same dip, but we're going to do it side by side. So it's dip, side, dip, side, dip, side, dip, side, dip, side, dip, side. I hope you're enjoying it so far. We'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. This is your girl Latonya style doing some prego exercises. Okay, we're going to continue with the lower body. We just did some dips and side, working out our legs and stuff. So now we're going to do some plies. So you're going to do it second position and we're going to just bend and straighten, bend and straighten. And this is a very good exercise for pregnant women. So it's bend and straighten, bend and straighten. And if you want to get in depth as a dancer, you know, I will do bend on the toes, flat and up. Again, bend on the toes, flat and up. Now we're going to do stretches. Fourth position stretch, all the way down, change direction, all the way down. And notice my legs are pointed and still on the floor. Next side, stretch and up. And I'm going to do the same fourth position, but I'm going to turn and go on my toes. So it's on your toes and stretch. Keep your back straight and upper body up. Very nice. Next side, on your toes. Keep your head forward, back straight. Feel that stretch. The back leg must be straight. And up. Now we're going to do the side again, but we're going to go on our heels. Right? Next side, on our heels. And these are good leg stretches. So we're going to go down one more time, as far as you can go. Now put your hands on the ground, if you can, and straighten your legs. Rolling back up. One more time with the stretch. And if you can split, always try to keep a split, even though you're pregnant. And as I said, I'm 9 months pregnant. Okay, so that's a little split to keep me fit. Okay, now we're going to do some leg lifts. So this is what they normally do. Netball training, running, track and field can be done just the same as a pregnant lady. So it's up, side, forward, back. Up, side, back to the front, down. You can also do just regular lifts with the leg, making sure your toe goes to your knee. And you do 8 counts for each leg. This is a turnout position. We can also do it in parallel. So it's up, 2, 3, 4, change, up, 2, 3, 4. We can also stretch our leg at the back. So hold the foot, take your heels all the way to your butt. Next side, hold the leg all the way to your butt. Feel that stretch. Also, we can do side stretches. Holding the leg from inside. Next side, holding the leg. Very nice. If you can do extensions, you can also try it. It's a bit hard, but just to keep the body intact so that after the baby, still be busy. Also do the back lift. Chain side. Very nice. Okay, that's the basic warm-up that I do while I'm pregnant. I also do sitting down exercises where I lean forward stretch to the side and stuff like that. But to keep energetic and happy and busy, I do little dance moves as well. So some of my dance moves, just stretches, in and out, side, front, side, front. Very nice. And do all different kind of moves. Forward, stretch, stretch, stretch. Point to the back. So these are some of my dance moves that I do to keep me fit. Okay, some of the latest moves that are out now can also be used as exercises. For instance, you have no behavior. This is not very harmful because you're not really shaking up the baby. Then, you know, you have rubber bounce. And you know, you have my dance, which is called Give Thanks. It's almost like getting jiggy with it, but you're praising and giving thanks. And you know, the original versatile. And you know, there's so much more in the making. All the different moves. Okay. So, welcome to my world. Dance world. Never stop dancing, even when I'm pregnant. 9 months pregnant, as you can see. Zoom in on my baby. Zoom in. He's a bad boy, yeah. But people, thank you for your support. Thank you for joining me in this simple exercise, and there's more to come, more dancing after the baby. So all my fans, thank you so much. Keep it locked. Hi people, my name is Latonya. I'm here to prepare my dance called AUNTY-LULU. You know, they must skip to them Lu and all these things, and nobody remember about AUNTY-LULU. Yeah, that was a move, a game that people used to play when they were younger. It used to go like 1, 2, 3 AUNTY-LULU. It's like a skipping thing. So the whole essence of it and idea is about jumping and then dipping. The dip is because the rope is going 1, 2, 3, then it goes up for you to do the AUNTY-LULU part. So the dance is basically 1, 2. Anytime you do the AUNTY-LULU, you can do it in any position you want to do it. So you can go 1, 2. Anything you want to do, but the whole essence is to jump 1, 2, then you dip 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, so that is called the AUNTY-LULU, created by Latonya style. Just like the skip to Malu, the man them do, the girl them broke out, and I do AUNTY-LULU. So 1, 2. Alright, so it's a simple little cute dance, so keep it locked.